Hi, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Erica.
Uh, we are uh, we are the BSBA students, sir. We are here to interview you about science, technology, and the society. First, please, pwede ko pa, please introduce yourself, sir. Para makaibalo sila sa full name ni mo, sir.
Okay. Sige. So, by the way, good morning, everyone. Good morning, students from NBEC. So, by the way, I'm GB Glit Islamon. I'm currently instructor, no? Instructor one. I belong to the GEC department. And actually, I graduated, I earned my bachelor's degree in mathematics at Bukidnon State University. And I was also able to pursue my master's degree in mathematics at Mindanao State University. Okay, so thank you for having me for this certain activity. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. So, Tristan will ask the question, sir.
Mm, okay.
This is the first question I'm going to ask you, sir. How can science and technology be harnessed to address social inequalities and promote inclusivity in society?
Mm, okay. Actually, this is a very, I don't know, very interesting question, Mr. Tristan. But before we'll address, will I address this? Before I will address this, this question, I have some questions, no, to through, and each of you can participate, no, whoever you are, whoever of you will address this one. It's just possible. So what is your objective, uh what is your objective in choosing this question? That's the first question. And the second one is, what makes this question relevant to our present time? Anyone? Because this is actually very, I don't know, very call this one, this question is constructively uh, done in a very, I know, no, very, mm, we call this one very logical way, should I say. So anyone who will try to address? Okay, Saiza.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Good morning, sir. Our objective for this question, sir, is to know the significance of science and technology in our society, sir.
Okay, good. Thank you, Miss Saiza. How about what makes this question relevant to our present time? I think Mr. Tristan would be able to address this one. Okay, Saiza. Sige.
I think, sir, the relevance of these questions in our present time, sir, is that technology nowadays is very useful, and most of us use technology to make our work uh, to make our work easier, and it technology makes things convenient
Okay,
for us.
sige. Okay, so thank you, Miss Saiza, no, who are addressing my question. So I will now proceed to ano class to guys, no, to answer this following this question, no, that you have for me. So the first question again is, how can science and technology be harnessed to address social inequalities and promote inclusivity in society? So given this question, actually, no, I found three key terms here. The first one is harness. No, in other words, no, by definition, Harness means to use something for a particular purpose. And the second term, which is also important, no, second to the last, is this term social inequalities. Just to give you guys no idea about social inequalities. Social inequalities refer to the disparities or differences no in social and economic outcomes and opportunities experienced by different groups within a society. These inequalities can manifest in various aspects of life, including income, education, healthcare, housing, employment, and access to resources and opportunities. Social inequalities are often the result of complex interactions between a range of factors, including socioeconomic status, race, uh, ethnicity, gender, age, and more. Okay, that's all about social inequalities. While we talk about inclusivity in society, this refers to practice no, and philosophy of actively involving and welcoming individuals from diverse backgrounds, regardless of their differences, and ensuring that they have equal access, opportunities, and representation within various aspects of social life. Inclusivity is about recognizing and embracing diversity and creating an environment in which all people, regardless of their race, ethnicity, gender, age, sexual orientation, disability, religion, or other characteristics, feel valued, respected, and included. Okay, so this is actually a very good question. So addressing social inequalities and promoting inclusivity in society, through harnessing uh, the science and technology is an important and multifaceted topic. Okay, so allow me to share to you, uh, some academic insights of the subject, based on based on the take notes that I have from the different sources that I use. Okay, so the first one is access to education. No, what is access to education? Technology, especially in our present time, can be used to provide educational opportunities to undeserved and marginalized communities. Okay, online courses, digital libraries, and e-learning platforms, can bring education to remote areas. Okay, that's one of the advantages, if we utilize technology in education, enabling individuals to acquire new skills and knowledge. Additionally, adaptive learning technologies can cater to diverse learning needs, making education more inclusive. By the way, uh, when you talk about technology, technology is just actually the practical use of scientific knowledge, which is science. Science is the systematic body of knowledge. Okay. So number two is digital inclusion. What is digital inclusion? Bridging the digital divide is crucial for promoting inclusivity. Okay. Initiatives aimed at providing affordable access to the internet and technology devices help ensure that all members of society can participate in the digital era or age. Governments and organizations can work together to make digital inclusion a reality, thereby reducing the gap between those uh, with and without access to technology. Okay, especially those people, who are living on secluded areas or rural areas. So this is necessary. Number three is healthcare accessibility. Okay, so this is done through telemedicine and mobile health technologies, and this can improve healthcare accessibility especially in rural or undeserved areas. Remote consultations, health monitoring devices, and healthcare apps, no, can empower individuals to manage their health, reducing disparities in healthcare access and outcomes. Okay. And the fourth one is smart cities and infrastructure. So when we talk about smart cities and infrastructure, no, the concept uh, of this idea is evolves, no, using technology to create more efficient, sustainable, and accessible uh, urban environments. Okay, like smart transportation systems, energy efficient buildings, and data driven city planning can improve the quality of life for all residents, including those with disabilities or lower incomes. Okay? So because nowadays, no, we are data driven generation. Okay? So we do things based on data that we have. Okay? Number five is inclusive design. No? Incorporating principles of inclusive design in technology development can help ensure that products and services are accessible to a wide range of users, okay? Regardless of their abilities. No? This approach benefits people with disabilities, but can also enhance the user experience for everyone. Okay, and number six, we have data and decision making. So data-driven approaches can help policymakers identify and address rather social inequalities, no, by collecting and analyzing data on areas like education, employment, and healthcare. Governments and organizations can make more informed decisions and allocate resources more equitably. So number seven is social innovation. Science and technology can be harnessed to create, no, innovative solutions to social changes. Okay, for example, no, nowadays we have mobile banking. No, this is part of the development, no, of our modern society, and we also have microfinance technologies. No, have expanded financial services to undeserved populations, promoting financial inclusion. Okay, number eight is collaboration and partnerships. So we can use technology, no, in collaboration and partnership. So academic institutions, government agencies, non-profit organizations, and the private sector can collaborate to leverage the power of science and technology for social inclusivity. No? Public-private partnership and interdisciplinary research initiatives can lead to more effective solutions. Okay, and number nine, actually, I have here 10. No? Number nine is digital literacy and training. Okay, so to ensure that everyone can benefit from technology, there should be efforts to enhance digital literacy and provide training for using technology effectively. Okay, so this particular important, no, for older adults. Rather, this is particularly important for older adults and disadvantaged populations. Okay, so actually, guys, no, there are people who are technology challenge, no? Especially those people class nga nabilong sila sa gitawag nato nga old generations, no? So number 10 is ethical considerations, no? It's crucial to consider the ethical implications of technology driven inclusivity efforts. So this includes addressing issues related to privacy, no, data security, and fairness in algorithmic decision making. So in conclusion, actually we have unlimited, no, ways, strategies, and approaches to harness science and technology for uh, reducing inequalities and promoting inclusivity in society. Okay, so the goal is to create a more equitable and accessible world where the benefits of technological advancement, are shared by all members of society. Uh, I think for that question, that's all.
So, here are the second question, sir.
Okay.
Uh, in what ways has science and technology influenced the field of education?
Okay. Influence the field of education. Okay. So this is another question. No? This is another good question. So, in what ways has science and technology influence, the field of education? Okay. Well, certainly the influence of science and technology in education is actually very rich, and at the same time, evolving academic topic. Okay. So I have here, uh, some important points, or few important points that I can give you, no, or we call this academic insights, into how science and technology have impacted the realm, rather the realm of education. So number one here is actually we have online and distance learning. Okay, that's what you observe, no? Even sa atong institution, we apply this approaches, no? Online or instructional mode, no? Online and distance learning. So science and technology have actually uh, revolutionized education, no? By enabling online and distance learning. Okay, so through the internet, learners can access a, a vast array of educational resources, take courses and earn degrees, from institutions worldwide. Okay, this has expanded educational opportunities for people who may not have had access to traditional in-person education. No, it's about using what we call this one, traditional classroom. Nowadays, we have so many Google Space or spaces, no, Google Space, where we can use to improve, no, our learning, even in distant situations. Okay, so that's number one. It's very important, no, and this is one of the best importance. I mean, the best, one of the best important influences of technology in education, online and distance learning. Number two is personalized learning. Personalized learning is about, uh, technology allows for personalized learning experiences, adaptive learning system. We use data and algorithms to tailor instruction to the individual needs and progress of each student. This approach can improve learning outcomes and help address the diverse needs of students. No, like nowadays, we have so many databases, where we can use to improve more our learning, and make our learning experience more meaningful. Okay, so number three is digital resources and open uh, educational materials. Okay, so technology has made it easier to create, distribute, and access educational resources. No, that's what I mentioned earlier. We have many databases, available in the internet. Open educational resources and digital textbooks are freely available, and then the accessibility is very easy, no, reducing the cost of education. Okay, moreover, digital platforms like Khan Academy and Coursera, offer a wide range of educational content to learners around the world. So one click, just a single click, you can access no every possible source of information that you need to educate yourself. Okay, so that's the best thing about this technology, no, that we have. So classroom technology. Okay, so the fourth one is classroom technology. Okay, this is about interactive whiteboards, no, tablets, and educational software have transformed classroom instruction. Okay, in me personally, I use this gadget, no, known as pen tablet. Okay, so I use that, no, during virtual class session, no, instead of using the traditional materials, no, in instruction. We have the eraser, uh, traditional uh, chalk, no, or whiteboard. Nowadays, we can use this pen tablet, no, to instruct students or to teach students online. Okay, so sige, point number 5. Okay, so point number 5, no, this talks about STEM education. Okay, so science and technology have enhanced STEM, or this is an abbreviation for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics education. Okay, it's by virtual laboratories. No, we also have simulations. No, using softwares, programs. No, in our computing system, and we also have 3D printing technologies. No, provide hands-on learning experiences, fostering a deeper understanding of complex, no, STEM concepts. Okay, number 6 is educational research and data analytics. Okay, so technology enables educators to collect and analyze data on student performance. Okay, learning analytics can help identify at-risk students, no, and inform instructional decisions, allowing for data-driven improvements in educational outcomes. Okay, so nowadays, actually, no, we are becoming a generation who is data driven, no, data driven generations. We base everything on uh, the existing data, no, that we can gather. Then we analyze this data and we base our decision, no, on the basis or the outcome, no, of the information we gathered. Okay, using like any mathematical tools, no, like statistics. No, there are many statistical software, no, we can use to interpret, no, the data that we have. So number 7 is global collaboration. So this is one of the best thing, no, about technology, because it enables us, no, to connect people in a global scale. Okay, not only in our own country, no, but also from different countries all over the world. Okay, so number 7 is global collaboration. Science and technology have made it possible, no, for students and educators to collaborate with peers and experts from around the world. Okay, this only becomes possible because of technology, no, like video conferencing or video conferences. We also have collaborative software and social media platforms, no, facilitate cross-cultural learning experiences and international collaboration on research projects. No, so technology is so ano kalas, uh, very I don't know, very rich. Okay. Number 8 is teacher professional development. No, so online platforms offer opportunities for teacher professional development. No, so educators can access webinars, online courses, and communities of practice to enhance their teaching skills and stay current with educational trends. Okay, so another number is accessibility for students, no, with disabilities. So assistive technologies and accessibility features in educational software have expanded opportunities for students with disabilities. No? These technologies can provide customized support to meet the specific needs of individual learners. And number 11, no, another important one is research and innovation in education. Okay? Technology has facilitated research in education. Okay, researchers can collect and analyze data on a larger scale, explore the effectiveness of new teaching methods, and develop innovative educational tools and interventions. Okay, and I think for this question, no, uh, those things are most important, no. So, in conclusion or overall, or to summarize, the impact, no, of science and technology in education emphasizes the potential for enhancing learning experiences, no, increasing access to education, no, like using online platforms or Google Spaces, and improving educational outcomes while recognizing the need for truthful implementation and ongoing research to maximize the benefits of technology in education. So truly, no, truly or indeed, no, the impact of technology or science and technology in education is a tremendous one. Okay, so I guess, no, for this second question, that's all from me. So thank you so much.
So thank you, sir, for the time that you will give us to interview you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you so much, sir.
Sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay,
Pleasure.
you're welcome. So any okay. Sige. So, dili na tayo magtapos?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So,
Thank you.
sige. God bless everyone. Oh,
Thank
thank
you,
you for having
sir.
me again. Thank you so much. Dirt,
Yes,
thank you.
sir. Thank you.
And
God
every
bless,
one of
sir.
you, thank you. Bye, everyone.
Bye,
I
sir.
Bye,
may leave now.
sir.
Okay na,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Sige. Bye.